In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze your site traffic using the traffic analytics tool in Hubspot. Understanding your website's traffic is crucial for optimizing your online presence and ensuring that your strategies are effective. Let's dive into HubSpot and explore how this powerful tool can give you the insights you need. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the HubSpot homepage. Once you're there, look towards the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see the login button. Click on it to begin the process of accessing your account. With your login credentials ready, enter them in the appropriate fields and press enter. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. HubSpot's dashboard is robust and may seem a bit overwhelming at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step. Now direct your attention to the navigation menu on the left-hand side. Here you'll find various options tailored to enhance your marketing, sales, and service operations. Today we'll focus on the reporting tools, so go ahead and click on the reporting tab. This is the gateway to unlocking valuable insights about your website traffic. After clicking on reporting, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From this list, select the Marketing Analytics option. This will take you to a suite of analytical tools designed specifically to monitor and evaluate your marketing efforts. You're almost there. On the Marketing Analytics page, look for the Web Traffic Analysis section. Clicking on this option allows you to dive deep into the specifics of your website's performance. Here, you'll find detailed reports and metrics that help dissect your site's traffic patterns. The Web Traffic Analysis tool is your new best friend when it comes to understanding visitor behavior and engagement. It provides a comprehensive look at various metrics including page views, session durations, bounce rate, and more. Each of these data points gives you a clearer picture of how users are interacting with your website. As you explore this tool, you'll notice that the data is presented in a user-friendly manner, making it easy to interpret and act upon. Take your time to navigate through different reports and familiarize yourself with the metrics that are most relevant to your objectives. Remember, the goal here is not only to gather data, but to learn from it. Use this information to identify trends, understand user demographics, and gauge the effectiveness of your content. Ultimately, the insights gained from analyzing your site traffic can drive informed decisions and strategic improvements, enhancing your site's performance and user experience. That's it for today. Now you're equipped to leverage HubSpot's traffic analytics tool to its full potential, helping you stay ahead in the digital landscape. Happy analyzing, and don't forget to check in regularly to study these metrics as they evolve over time. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.